Welcome to my channel Moto Vision Hub. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most iconic motorcycles in India, the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350, finished in the stunning ultra-shiny Signals Desert Sand color. This bike is a perfect blend of timeless retro charm and modern engineering, combining heritage aesthetics with contemporary innovation. From its very first glance, the Classic 350 commands attention with its authentic proportions, retro-inspired frame, and iconic fuel tank shape, all of which have been carefully preserved to maintain the Royal Enfield legacy that riders have cherished for decades. The Signals Desert Sand finish gives the bike a distinctive presence, catching the light beautifully in any environment. The metallic sheen enhances the sculpted lines of the tank, the smooth curves of the seat, and the subtle contours of the bodywork. Every surface is crafted to reflect quality, giving the motorcycle a luxurious yet rugged appeal that is instantly recognizable. As you move around the bike, the attention to detail becomes apparent, from the perfectly proportioned fenders to the robust chassis that supports both rider and passenger comfortably. The single-piece seat is not just stylish but also engineered for long rides, offering the perfect balance of comfort and support, whether you're cruising through city streets or heading out for a long highway journey. The front of the Classic 350 is marked by a classic round LED headlamp, combining a retro aesthetic with modern lighting technology. It is perfectly complemented by retro-styled fenders and a high-tech digital analog dashboard interface that delivers essential information at a glance without compromising the timeless look. The handlebars are ergonomically positioned for comfort and control, allowing riders to navigate both urban and open-road environments with ease. Beneath the surface, the chassis is engineered to offer stability and agility, providing a riding experience that feels both smooth and responsive. The oversized aggressive tires with black sporty rims further enhance the bike's presence while contributing to handling and grip on various road conditions. Branding and styling on the Classic 350 are executed with precision. The Royal Enfield logo on the main tank immediately signals authenticity and heritage, while the bold black Classic 350 lettering on the side panel reinforces the bike's iconic identity. These details not only honor the legacy of Royal Enfield but also elevate the overall visual appeal, making it a bike that is equally admired when stationary or in motion. The combination of retro styling cues and subtle futuristic contours ensures that the Classic 350 feels timeless yet contemporary, bridging the gap between tradition and innovation. Stepping into the riding experience, the Classic 350 feels remarkably confident and composed. The engine delivers a smooth and predictable performance, providing just the right amount of power for city commutes, weekend rides, and longer journeys. The high-quality suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, while the braking system ensures safety and control even in dynamic conditions. The seating position allows for an upright posture, reducing fatigue on long rides, and the wide handlebars provide excellent leverage and maneuverability. Every aspect of the bike, from its design to its functional engineering, has been crafted with the rider in mind. The luxurious ultramodern showroom environment enhances the bike's presentation. Set against a pristine reflective white floor and elegant light gray walls with subtle golden accents, the Signals Desert Sand finish glows under warm ambient ceiling lighting. This setting not only highlights the motorcycle's color and design, but also creates an atmosphere of premium craftsmanship and attention to detail. Observing the Classic 350 from different angles, front, side, rear, and even top-down, reveals the meticulous thought that went into every curve, panel, and component. The bike is designed to be admired from all perspectives, reflecting both its aesthetic appeal and engineering excellence. In conclusion, the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 in Signals Desert Sand is more than just a motorcycle. It represents a harmonious fusion of heritage and modernity, comfort and performance, style and substance. Its retro-inspired frame, iconic tank design, and classic features are complemented by modern technological enhancements like LED lighting and a digital analog dashboard, creating a motorcycle that appeals to both purists and contemporary riders. Whether you are a longtime Royal Enfield enthusiast or a new rider seeking a premium and stylish bike, the Classic 350 offers an experience that is both authentic and exhilarating. From the reflective surfaces of its Signals Desert Sand finish to the commanding presence of its chassis and tires, every element of this motorcycle has been thoughtfully designed to provide an unforgettable riding experience. Stay tuned to Moto Vision Hub as we explore more motorcycles, dive into their design, performance, and features, and help you discover the perfect bike that matches your style and riding needs. The 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a testament to what happens when timeless design meets modern engineering, creating a motorcycle that is as visually captivating as it is enjoyable to ride.